nothing like that first cup of coffee in the morning. It's like a kid waiting for a ride at Disney. Come on, bring on that coffee. She's brewing. Gotta get the morning started right. Got a couple eBay packages we're gonna pack up. I'll show you guys how I package and how I store my items. And I think we have 4 items to ship today. One of them is, we have 5, but one of my drop shippers is gonna take care of that one for me. In the meantime, in between time, I gotta have our morning cup of joe. Since it's just me, I just gotta do my own single cup here. Oh, here it comes. Good old coffee. Yep. Gonna package up these 4. Today is Saturday. Then I'm gonna get up Samantha and we're gonna get ready and we're gonna head out to Aquatica. It's gonna be almost 90 here today in fabulous Florida. Gotta love the summer, that's for sure. That's some good stuff. Alright, we're gonna bring on the intro. Let's get started with this video as I take my first sip of this delicious coffee. Alright, these are the 4 things we have to look up. So first thing will be that photo, which is actually in my photo book, which is right here. And it says photo number 48. So what I did is that I bought all these photos and I numbered them so that when I listed them, it's mostly all artists and actors and rappers, the majority of them. But I sold a lot of them and there's Snoop Dogg. I already paid for it. Fat Joe, journalist. Shakatek. This already paid for itself a long time ago, so everything here is just profit. So number 48, which is this one. Long Beach Dub All-Stars. So somebody paid for this one, so we're going to take that one out. It's a nice photo. They're all black and white. They're all in my store. So if you guys are interested in some 90s rap stars, I have a lot of them still left over. Or maybe 20 or so, because I sold the majority of them already. Alright, so this is number 1. That's that. Then I have to get some stuff from my storage next door. So let me grab my keys. Always gotta have water in the house, especially in Florida. Never know when a storm's gonna come and knock everything down. Alright, let's go next door. This is one of my storage places here. So this is my storage, which I have to reorganize, but got a lot of stuff here. Everything's numbered, which I like. So this says that it is in TC1. So we just look and look. Where is... There it is, TC1. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab this. I left out some empty boxes because I had sold out of 2 products, which is great. Alright, so I'm gonna slide this over. Let's put this here for a second. I'm gonna putting these in the shelf because I think I can reach in there. There we go. And let me see. All right, let me put you guys down for a second while I grab these 2 items. So now I picked the 4 things that we sold, which was these lace ones. It was a 2-pack for $9, medium to large. So 3 of these, hell yeah. I voted for Trump in 2020 and I would do it again. So they wanted 3 of these. So 3 of these for $24, and that's already paid for. That paid for itself a long time ago. So one of these photos for $12. Again, I probably got like 10 cents into these at this point, so that's a good thing. And I saw this little Frozen guy that when you press this little button, he lights up. How cool is that? I forgot how much I sold this for, but I'll look it up. Sorry about that. There you go, camera. But I'll look it up and then we'll go from there. So first thing I am going to do is this photo right here. So I'll show you how I fold that up. So 1 second. All right. So as far as this photo, what I do is that I get a regular folder. These cost like a nickel after school and stuff is done. So I take the photo and I put it in there like yay. Boop. And then let me move my little salamander here so you can see. And then I put it in, I know you gotta get mad, but I put it in like priority mail envelope like so. There we go. Come on. And put it in there like yay. Make sure she's in there nice and tight. Then I close it. Like so. So that it's nice and stiff so that the photo does not bend. And I take one of these and I throw it in there like yay. Just do sideways to fit in there. There we go. Fold this up like yay. And whoop. Don't put that in my coffee. Like that. And like that. And there you go. She's good to go. And next package is these. These are super simple. I got these nice purple ones that people seem to like. And I got them on eBay. I think I got like 500 of them for like 30 bucks or something. They're super cheap. And I just slide these in here. Throw that in there. Just like that. Bend it a little bit. Again, take this off. Super easy. You gotta love when you have the right sizes and packages. It's package number 2. When it comes to the hats, I like to put them in the baggie in case it rains and the box breaks. So I always put my hats in the bag. Throw the nut here. Boop. Don't get mad because it's Trump. Don't get mad. We're just looking at the money. There we go. I'm going to throw that in the box. And the salamander. How cute he is. I'm going to wrap him up in this bubble wrap that I got. Put the actual part down there like this. And like that. Some tape here. My coffee so it doesn't spill. And that's it. It's pretty simple. It's easy when you have the right supplies and you have everything set up pretty good, which I do. And I didn't before. There's plenty of times when I don't have the right box or the right size and I have to cut down. It's a big pain in the buttocks. But it's all part of learning how to do it. Put tape there. So it's nice and secure. Let's put tape across. Oh. Sorry, that must have came out loud on the video. And one more on top. There you go. Try to put it a little further away so you don't hear that click. There you go. And now he is nice and safe. And I'm gonna throw him in a box. So got him all wrapped up. Got this done. I'll throw that and that in a box, and then I will show you guys them all boxed up and ready to go. But super easy to, if you set yourself up right with the tape and everything that you need. I got my little thing here, and if I have to do cut boxes, I got that. This is a Baggy 200. It prints cards, card printer. I got this. Excuse me. I picked this up for $125. It's printing, but it's not printing perfect. So I have to clean out. See, I did this one. That's my name on eBay, in case you want to look me up. But it's not printing 100%. The color is coming out good, but the black isn't coming out right because the print head is a little dirty. So I ordered some what's called T-cards that's gonna clean that up. But it came with this, all of the plugs, along with like 40 cards for $125. And this thing, once I get it up and running, sells for $425 used. And for parts, it's like $350 if you sell it for parts. $300, let's say, for parts. So from $125 that I paid to even $300 for parts is great. But $450 once I get it up and running is even better. So would you waste $125 for this? And would you even pick this up? Would you know what this was? Would you bother looking it up? These are things where if you see strange looking things like this, don't just pass them up, because somebody passed this up and they passed up a $400 item. I can easily get $250 profit off of this once I ship it with all the goodies. So, I mean, the T-cards that are coming in to clean the print head, I got a 10-pack for like $10. So I'm going to use one of them, and I'm going to send the other 9 with this. So it's just going to be a bonus item for the person, just give them more intrigue for them to buy it off of me. It's very clean. There's no big scratches or dents on it. It's a great looking machine. I'm going to print off 1 or 2 cards on it and make sure it works, because I always test anything that I sell that's electrical. Once it works, I'll do a video on that and show you guys, and hopefully we sell it in the month of May. But I'm going to package up these 4 items here, put them in their boxes, and then we'll get back to that. All right. Gotta love when you have a dirty old zebra. But even dirty, she prints perfect like this. So a zebra is a great printer to get, because you could print out your labels. You could print out as many as you can. See, I've printed out other ones for my other sales, but it's great to have, because once I get to the packages, here are the packages all ready to go. 3 and 4. There's no more taping, so I just look for the right name. This one here goes here. You just take it and stick it on there, and you're done. Makes life so much easier. I always put the person's name on the, let me get my little holder here. I like to put the person's name on the package. There we go. So that it's easy to, again, just do a quick stick. Stick it on there. Undo. And let's see, this person is for this one. Stick it there. On left. This one is for Jennifer. And there we go. So I'll get that out of the way there. So there we go. Easy peasy. Sticks on there. You don't have to put no glue, no taping, no extra tape. Just peel it off the roll, throw it on the packages, and you're good to go. And just like that, I've got my 4 packages ready to head out the door. I'm going to take this over to the post office, then I'm done. So this is how I package my packages for eBay. I put them in the boxes. Once I put in the box, on top of the box, I put the person's name. So this one was Walter. So I would put the weight. Use my little scale, which I have right here. And you could get this 50-pound scale anywhere, eBay, Amazon, for like 10 bucks, which I like. I like this one because I could put something on there, and then I could press the hold button here on the side, and then I take it off. And if it's too big where I can't see it, then I just press that hold button and it'll tell me what the weight is. And I could just cycle it back to 0, which is nice. I think I got paid like 10 or 15 bucks for this one on eBay or Amazon a long time ago. But that is how I package up my stuff. I'm gonna head out to the post office before they close. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you can see when I get put up new videos. We appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Remember, you can't sell if you don't list. So make sure you list on eBay, even if you're relisting items that ended. If you have items that are there longer than 5 months, then I would go ahead and end those, and 24 hours later just sell them again as similar, not relist, but sell similar, so it looks like you're putting new stuff on eBay and fresh stuff. And then eBay likes to see that you're always changing up pictures, changing up prices, doing promotions, that you're active on your store, and that's how you get the sales. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.